The Roland V1 HD, price reduction, 40%. It was $995, it's now $595. Then you've got another bundle where you're including your USB streaming capture device for only $100 more for $695. So
at $595, this comes as the standalone product. We support everything we sell. We service everything we sell. The product is built unbelievably well. It's all out of rolled steel. It's been probably the industry's #1 selling switcher as a 4-input switcher.
Yeah, and we've got one set up right here. So just before we go a little bit, I just want to show how simple it is. And right now I'm doing it with a straight cut, but I could also choose to do it with a wipe or like a push wipe. So just a great, easy, simple to use product. I could go with the T-bar. I could do whatever I want. It works great. We wanted to show that off a little bit. 4 HDMI inputs. One of the secret sauces that is in the V1 HD, but it's really in all your mixers, is that Roland Video Scaler.
It's true. These scalers are incredibly well made. Roland really knows what they're doing. The engineers know what they're doing, and they can scale automatically any computer, older computer, newer computer, and it just works. It pops in and it works.
Cool. Next, we want to talk about the 2 HDMI outputs because they're really independent, and that's super cool. A lot of switchers have 2 outputs, but they're gang together. It's just for simplicity's sake, and you can set them to whatever you want. I can actually have one be my program output and one be my preview output, or one could be my A bus, B bus, or I could even have it on a multi-view, and that's for a product for $595. That's just incredible. Talk to me about the audio mixing capabilities of that puppy.
It's a full 12-channel audio mixer, 4 stereo audio inputs, and each channel is equipped with delay functions. There's audio output jacks. So you have on the downloadable software, which is for free, you have total control of all of your audio.
Each of your mixers actually is a downloadable software that gives you computer control of the mixer, correct?
Correct. All of our products come with it. You just download it onto a tablet or other, and it gives you total control of every function of the switcher you are purchasing.
And now we want to talk about that UVC-01 encoder. Now, it was originally only available as an add-on device bundled with your mixers, but now it's available on its own. Because it appears to your PC or Mac as a webcam, there's no drivers, there's nothing to install, so now you can bring anything. It doesn't have to be used with a Roland mixer. You can bring anything now into Zoom, OBS, vMix, Wirecast, you name it.